Alright everybody, panel pour number 1 on the 14th of September. What you've got is, we went and poured about 30% of the panels last night. As you can see from our floor slab pours, I'm going to go ahead and slick trowel finish them so the floors and the panels exactly match. You got people chasing the joints. You've got machines doing the braking, slurrying up. And you've got the troweling machine sitting on there and giving it a slick finish, making everything super flat. Once these finish, these will look exactly like your floor slab. I would say about 98% of it. You will also see, as we are coming through, these different things that are in the panel. That right there, underneath that is a little plastic insert, and you can see these plastic tabs in there. That plastic tab has a cap on it. That will break off, and your tilt panel will actually, the crane will actually attach the lifting insert bracket to the lifting insert, and that's how we pick these panels up. And they are strategically located throughout these panels. This is what they look like when they are put in raw. And you can see there's a yellow mark in them, and the designer of the tilt panel actually integrates what this pressure and this stress is going to do to pick this panel up, and how this thing needs to be placed and tied back to this mat. Something else we like to do is we like to cast a piece of green plate wood for the very top, because the roof will attach to the very top, and there is also a brake metal for the roof cap that attaches to that. I like to lag bolt these in, and that lag bolt will set inside the top panel of the tilt wall, and then everything nails to it. If something should ever happen where that needs to be replaced, the only thing you have to do is take that lag, and it's countersunk so it doesn't rub through. Right here. And you have the ability to remove that piece of wood and repair any damage that might happen over the course of the lifetime of this panel. You will also see this is one of the framed panels with the arc in it that sits up in the front of the building pad up there. And this has a slide arc in it, and we are actually in the process today of laying out and forming the tilt wall that has got the large radius that goes on the opposite side of the office. And today, this is what the 14th of September looks like in the morning. We'll touch back this afternoon when the panels are finished and give you an idea of what these panels look like complete.